Hello, Misha? Oh, I'm watching the news, Pangga. Did you see there's a salmonella, huh? There's a salmonella outbreak. Oh, no. It's not in your state, Pangga. It's not in your state. But just be careful, huh? Hello, Misha? Do you know where my Pyrex is, huh? The big one that I use for lumpia? I look everywhere in the kitchen. I cannot find it anywhere. Hello, Pangga? I think my remote is broken, Pangga. I'm pushing the on, but my TV is not turning on. Oh, what button do I push, huh? Input. Where's the input? I don't see any input here in this one. Oh, Pangga, do you remember Tony, ha? The one who painted the house? Huh? Oh, the police take him last night. They raid his house. His neighbors say he's selling fake DVDs. Hello, Pangga? You know, I go in the market today. I buy mango. It's so sweet. No, mango has vitamin C. It's good for your immunity. It's so good, Pangga. I answered the phone, Misha. Hello, Misha? I text you. You're not replying. What kind of cell phone do I have, huh? Which one is this, huh? What? Huh? Which cell phone is this one, huh? I need to buy a charger. I don't know which cell phone this one is. iPhone? iPhone what? Don't go till the salmonella is gone. Delikado. Ay. Dirak ka lang sa balay. Hindi anay maglagaw. Okay. The remote with the blue or the remote with the red? Or the circle one? Why is there so many remote? We only have one TV. You know, when I'm small, I climb in the mango tree, huh? And I eat the mango in the tree. I don't ever wash the mango. No. I just eat it and look, I'm okay. You know, all my K-drama DVD I buy from Tony. I didn't know it was pirated though. But I buy from him for cheap. The best, because he has the best quality DVD. Oh, which cabinet? I look in every cabinet over here. I cannot see it. In the top. Okay. No, I see it. It's in the top. Did you eat yet? Huh? No? Okay. I'll bring you some lumpia and fried chicken, huh?